Hey guys, welcome back to Quincy's Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome, and to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. And if you're watching my video for the very first time, may I introduce myself to you? Well, I'm Quincy. I am a natural hair and food YouTuber. So basically, that's what I do here on YouTube. But with time, I may want to add a little bit of lifestyle. So if you are actually interested in food, natural hair, then this is the right place for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified. So yeah, I'm glad to have you here. Thank you for stopping by, and please keep watching. So today's video is about wash and go, and here we have a freshly washed hair. So basically I just took my shower, then I got this hair washed, so it's still wet. Look at that, it's still wet. So I actually want to do a wash and go using just one product, a co-styler gel. I actually want to use a grease. So I'm going to use my grease first, or any oil before applying the gel. So I'm using my grease. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. Oh, it smells so good. If you didn't watch my last video, I talked about an update on this channel. So as we all know, at the very beginning, I started with a lot of cooking videos. I had some few natural hair related videos, and recently I have been doing mostly hair related videos on how to take care of your natural hair, concoctions for fast and healthy hair growth. So, but then I have good news for you, because people have really been requesting, oh Quincy, we need this, we need recipe on this, or you've not been uploading food videos. Okay, and I was like, all right, as from March, I'm going to be resuming cooking videos. So what is going to happen now is every week you get 2 videos from me, one for hair and the other one for food. Yeah, so that's what is going to happen now. But I don't know, I don't yet know which day, but I'm still going to announce that in my next video, which day would be for food and which day will be for hair, so that it gets you guys prepared, so that you're actually prepared. All right, on this day I'm expecting a hair video from Quincy, and on this day I'm expecting a food video from Quincy. I just want to get you guys prepared. So that's actually the change now. It's not actually a change, because that's actually what I've been doing, but it's just like I've resumed. Yeah. In case I'm just telling you now, or I'm still reiterating in case you didn't watch my last video. So that's it, guys. So in case you've not watched, please just know that if you see food related video, don't be surprised. For my new subscribers, you might not have watched my old videos, just know that here we also talk about food. But since the food is also highly requested, and I have the hair. Also, there's something I also want to mention. On my last video, I asked you guys what you actually want me to do concerning the hair related videos. People talked of my natural hair journey. I've jotted that down. I'm going to consider doing a video on that, but I don't know when. People also talked about natural hairstyles, because I have the hair for it, and yeah, I'm really going to do that. I think I'm going to film. There is also one hairstyling video that's in my mind now. I'm going to film that any of these days, and that's going to be uploaded subsequently. So yeah, guys, keep asking your questions, whatever thing you want on natural hair, whatever thing you want me to try on. Be free. I will do my best to grant your request, because of course your request is my command. As I say, you guys are like family to me. I keep thanking you guys all the time for your comments, for your sharing, for for subscribing, for clicking on the post notification bell, and for always coming back to watch the video. So family, thank you for your support. So whatever thing you want me to do concerning hair and food, don't hesitate to let me know. So expect some pretty hairstyles anytime soon, and expect food related videos once a week. So okay, you see this juicy hair, you don't want to miss all the tips and tricks, right? You know, you can get to this stage. I remember in those days when I used to feel like, oh my god, my hair is not growing. What's happening? I was like, I'm gonna shave this hair. Yeah. But then I can't really believe that my hair has grown this much. It's thick, it's healthy, the curls have been maintained. That's the worst thing I will never want to happen to my hair. Me not having my curls back. Because I kind of believe that what gives it that beauty is the curls, sorry. Yeah, what gives the hair that beauty are the curls. What makes it so unique are that extreme curls, and I really don't want to lose my curls. As a matter of fact, I've never really used heat on my hair since I started my natural hair journey. I have never even used a blow dryer on my hair. Can you imagine? I always straighten my hair using threads or twist, but I'm thinking of doing a blow dryer this week. Yeah, this week I'm going to use a blow dryer this week. Perhaps I'll upload it next month or so. I really want to see how that looks on my hair, because I've always been so skeptical about it, because I'm scared like perhaps if I use it, my hair the curls will not be that much again. I don't know what will happen to my hair or something like that. I was just scared, but I'm going to try it. So guys, may I take a moment to thank you for watching to this point. And if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit on that post notification bell as well, so that you will get notified each time I upload a new video. Wash and go is a very simple hair routine. You just apply your oil, your gel, or your cream, or your leave-in conditioner, or your custard. Mostly, I think what you mostly use for wash and go are gels, custard, or butter. Okay, so you just apply this on your hair, and then you apply a little bit of oil to seal in that moisture, and then flaunt it. That's basically what wash and go is. So you just apply these things on a wet hair, and then you flaunt your hair. You just allow the hair to dry down, and then you're good to go. That's basically what wash and go is. But as you notice when I apply those my gel, I had to twist them into big twists. That's to secure it, to prevent it from tangling up. You know, you can see that my hair is really thick, and I am a fussy girl. Like I have that kucha banga, like in quotes. That's how we quick, like, you know, it's really hard. So I have this thick fussy. Sometimes you see it's soft. That's because I take proper care of it. But I really have this fussy hair. So I had to put them in big twists, and then I just undid it now. So that's what this wash and go is all about. Yeah guys, so you can see that the curls are really defined compared to what it was at the beginning, just when I left the shower. You can see that, yeah, the curls are popping, and the hair is kind of defined and so voluminous. So I love this. I was thinking Eco Styler gel on the hair would not be so good. I'm using Eco Styler gel for wash and go for the very first time. I think the result is okay. So guys, please subscribe to Queen's Naturals. Click on the post notification bell, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you all. Bye, and see you in my next video. And also don't forget to also come back and watch my very first food video in March. Everyone is going to love this. Like, you can't resist this particular recipe. You definitely can't, guys. Anticipate a very good secret recipe coming in March on food related video. Don't forget, tune in. Bye. Love you all.